So my people, just like this video caption says, my husband married another wife. I am crying. My husband married another wife. Yes, I'm excited. Are you surprised? I am excited. Is it easy to have a co-wife? See me now, see us looking beautiful. Eh? Looking beautiful. My husband man looking beautiful. My plenty shakara, easy to have a co-wife. Hunedi. Some of you detest hunedi. When your husband says, I want to get another wife. This is one of my favorite sister-in-laws. If you call the kind of and we're having fun. If you see us, then we are so happy. See me, plenty gist. We are in, okay, here I was trying to say we went to Obofia in Kano West, Okonano, Obofia. So see my pretty co-wife. She's about giving wine to her husband. Okay, actually, my husband's brother got married. And as you can see, we came in our full regalia. We came to represent. You trust, now trust your babe now. I'll be doing my video coverage. Okay, she's receiving prayers, instructions from her dad or from the elder that is taking the position of her dad. I'll be prayers to go and show who her husband is. So that is what is going on here. I was so excited. The excitement was top notch. No be small thing. I was laughing ear to ear throughout the whole event. Okay, so she now got up and carried the wine. This is my co-wife and she doesn't like wasting time. No shakara in this matter. Just carry the wine straight. Let her go and give her husband. Kukuma. I was calling her co-wife like no, that she was laughing. And we know we don't marry, we say we don't marry. Whether the bride price has been paid here, or not. We know we are carrying the thing. We are carrying the consignment home. Yeah. So she has given the drink to her husband. They will now go and receive prayers. Hey, Omenala Igbo amaka. Ịgba nkwụ n'ala Igbo. Mara mma. It's my husband's brother. If you see him, you've seen my husband. The older version of my husband. They look alike a lot. My people, they're going to collect prayers. Keje bele fe bele. No, they run fell. At the time, they had to tell him to remove his cap. My husband wants to remove his cap. Oko obodo Igbo man ka na-akọ. Uche ya dịrị na eyi na-akọ sef. Ihe ọ na-akọ bụ mee na ife a ka o si ebe a pụọ. Ka o binye. Ka a na-aga. Hey. It was an exciting event, Jare. I said I will update you guys so you see what happened. See my husband's last sister. She's the one that is using her bonbon to be blocking my video. That girl, the man. See her here. Fine girl. Hey, see we dey fine now. Check them out now. Yeah. Check us out. We dey fine. See my stylist. We dey fine. I think I see each other. And now they were handing over the bride to us so that we'll carry wholesale. We've carried our wholesale. We are no longer owing you people. No Biafia. We are not owing you people. So they are raining prayers on her, prayers from the children, prayers from the city. See your celebrity photographer now. Prayers from the children, prayers from the elders. It was beautiful. Ebele biye niile. Ndị Igbo bụ ndị ji ekpele eme ife. Anyị ejiri mmemme go see husband man carry my handbag. Ichekwa na ọsọ carry. You don't know that their money for imego is inside. See me now. doing my video coverage. Oh, I was looking beautiful, now. Trust your babe. Oh my God, see my other one. Hey, see my fine latest co-wife. Oh my